All right. Good morning. On Friday, I forgot to hit record, so I had a really big loss on Friday. It was a horrible trading day. We are back down to 50,395. Let's see if we can have a profitable week this week. See what we got. I'm going to start plotting out like big pivot points on the 1 hour time frame, and then if there's a supply and demand zone on those pivot points, it just gives me extra confirmation to take a trade right there. So let's just find those big pivot points. Okay, we're gonna go back to the 5 minute chart. We're gonna look for any setups. All right, so gold, we have a nice uptrend. We do have something that looks pretty good right here. It's demand zone, and we have a pivot point right here that is bouncing off, that it could bounce off of. Keep an eye on this. NQ and ES. Oops. NQ, we are underneath a pivot point. So it could bounce off of here and go back down because we are bearish. Let's see, ES. ES, we're at a pivot point. This could be a break and retest. Just keep an eye on everything. This gold trade looks the best so far. We also don't have news till about 7 a.m., so we're good. You see these demand zones on ES and NQ. We came from a bearish trend and now we are breaking structure to the upside. Maybe we could take that. It's projecting nicely off this level, or off this zone. See if we can get a see if it closes inside or outside the zone. Gold is still pushing up. I'm gonna close inside my zone on NQ. Don't know. And the EMA is kind of running through the middle here. It's not an A plus setup. And it looks like it's just gonna blast through right here. Gold made another demand zone right here. Could target this one. Like the bottom one would be stronger, but we'll see. ES has now tapped the zone. A nice rejection on ES right here. It is pushing back up. NQ's doing the same. Gold is approaching our demand zone. Gold has barely tapped the zone. Just barely. If it breaks this candle, I am going to get into this gold trade.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right. Here we go. Already in drawdown. Come on, gold. Let's start the week off right. Wow. Really? Wow. Come on, dude. Yes. Still hasn't broken this candle low, so I feel like we're still good. Come on now. Give us the push. No, dude. Not that way. Go the other way. Bro.
Order filled.
Another goddamn loss, dude. That was like it. Oh, and then look at NQ and ES. Now those are pushing up. I didn't take this because the EMA is going through it. This looked like A plus setup on gold, man. That's so annoying. That's so annoying. Look at it push. Chose a setup that looked cleaner, going with the trend. It looks like NQ's about to win too. Dude. NQ hit like 100 ticks. That's crazy. Bro. Oh, well. Damn it. It did create this new demand zone on NQ. Off that nice push. We broke this high. We are breaking structure to the upside. We are approaching this pivot point. Ooh, and a supply zone. It's a good place to take a sell. This is the 15-minute supply zone. We're at a pivot point. Could sell into this demand zone. That could be a good spot. Still so pissed about that. It's annoying. ES also has a supply zone right here. Just tapped into it actually. Projecting off of it. It's pushing back down pretty hard. 1 hour candle showing a rejection at the supply zone 2.
Order submitted.
Damn it.
Order filled.
Alright, we're gonna sell on NQ. Got a 15-minute supply zone. Rejected off of it here. See if we can reach these lows again. Pushing pretty good right now. A little worrisome because we are pushing into this demand zone. It just came off this big push. And it does look like it's rejecting off of it. But I'm hoping it can just push through here. Because the overall trend is bearish on the 15-minute and the 1 hour time frame. So maybe this just could be a pullback to go back down. Doji candle on the Akanashi candlesticks. That's nice. Break through the EMAs. Gotta break through that 15 and the 200. You know you want to, NQ. It's just the man zone. It's throwing me off. But it's not showing too much strength to go up, but still not showing strength to go down. Oh, yeah. I think I'm gonna close it.
Stop
Break even.
filled.
Yeah. Damn it.
Order submitted.
Just go the other way. Showing strength to go up. Over the trend. Into the supply zone. Recover some losses, hopefully. This
Order filled.
will get there.
Stop filled.
All right, looks like we got about $300 back. Still in the red, but a little bit better than before. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop right there. Oh man. Hopefully we can have a better day tomorrow.